Hey Python developers, welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, we will explore how to convert a list to a string in Python. This video is perfect for beginners who are looking to enhance their Python skills. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a solid understanding of how to transform list into string efficiently. First, we create a list and store it in a variable called my_list. The list contains 5 numbers here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Since list stores multiple elements, we need a way to convert all of them into a single string. Python's map function helps us transform each number in the list into a string. The map function applies the struct function to each element in my_list, ensuring all numbers are converted into their string representations. Next, we use the join method to combine all the converted string elements into a single string. The string space is used as a separator here, meaning each element will be separated by a space. Finally, we use the print to display the result on the screen. Understanding those techniques enhance your ability to manipulate and present data effectively in your Python projects. For more tutorials on Python programming and data manipulation, be sure to check out our other videos. Like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Happy coding.